Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you've been here, make sure you tell a friend to come and pull up. Okay y'all, so today is Sunday, which is like recess Sunday. I had a very slow morning where I just straightened up a little bit because my house is always clean. I straightened up a little bit, washed a few clothes. I'm late with planning my march for my board, but I planned my board. I watched a little TV, ate food, just was very slow with getting ready today. Like, it wasn't no rush on my day, but I do have like packages for my business because I'm becoming a full shop where if people is last minute with ordering stuff from Amazon or getting their inventory in from Amazon, I do have that on hand for them to come and order. So I'm gonna go do like a little promo for that stuff, like take pictures and stuff. And then after all of that, I am going to go sit by the river, do a little studying. Also do a little graphic designing with my business, so I can start back posting more consistently when it comes to like products and stuff, because I think that's what I'm fit to make my main focus, because I'm getting the clientele, but I got to start back getting the dang customers to like buy more of my stuff, because they buying it, but I gotta set goals that I want every month that I want them to buy. So yeah, so come with your girl. So after taking a picture of that, I think I did, that's all I really had to do here. I will organize this drawer, but it's gonna need to, because it's gonna be right this back up. Yeah, that's all I had to really do here was bring that here. Go ahead and take this out. Y'all, these are literally the only gel pads, foam pads. I don't too much like gel pads. I use gel pads like I'm out of foam pads and my order hasn't came in yet. These are my gem. Like, they don't move, they stay in place. My only odds about these is like they suck the moisture up under your under eye, so it like leave like where it was. It leaves its imprint. Like, that's my only con. But baby, I swear by these, die by these, love these to death. These are my non-negotiable. Like, I gotta have, must have. It's definitely a freaking must have. But yeah, that's literally all I have to do here. I have a client tomorrow. That's already set up in place. So I guess we just about to go to the park and do a little bit of studying. I think I'm going to take my tripod with me. So let me close that down. We are about to get out of here. Y'all, they was complaining about the Glamour Holly bag, because they say like it's like a big bag. But I think it's cute. I had already had the travel on, I got true travel on suitcases. I had those before Glam Holly even became a thing, and I was trying to make it my purpose to like go ahead and get my purse before they sold them out. So I got this purse, but I got to go back when she do a restock, if she do a restock, and get the gray one to match my other travel on bag. And I do want a black one. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is my OOTD today too. I got on my like Nike shoes. Can y'all see them? Hold on. I got on my Nike shoes. I got on my shorts and set from Shein. And I think I had got Jada to imprint these on my set. Like, press them on my logo with my old logo. But yeah, I gotta show y'all my cup that baby bought me, because it's so cute. I understand it.